I rise in support of this, but there is a connection because in China today there are 35 Catholic bishops that are either in house arrest or in jail, Protestant pastors that plunder Tibet. And China, unfortunately, and I think the American people know, has now become our banker. This ties into the health care bill that we're ready to vote on tomorrow. That bill will cost $1 trillion. To think America is unsinkable, the White House projects the federal debt will grow by more than $9 trillion in the next 10 years. How big is a trillion? $1 trillion the bill will cost. 1 million seconds equals 12 days. 1 trillion seconds is more than 30,000 years. China is our banker. This bill will cost $1 trillion. And it's important that we deal with this issue. Now, the second poster sums up on where we are today. This happens to be Uncle Sam. He is saying, don't let the debt defeat a great nation. We are obligated to China. China holds a large portion of our debt. The Saudis hold a large portion of our debt. The Saudis who funded the radical madrasas up on the Pakistan-Afghan border, and some who were on the airplanes that killed the people on 9/11, 30 more or so from my congressional district, hold our debt. We need to get control of this debt, and the health care bill will not lower costs. The health care bill will cost over $1 trillion. What kind of legacy? What kind of legacy are we leaving for our children? And I have 5, or our grandchildren, and I have 14. A legacy of debt and deficit. So $1 trillion for this health care bill. We have $57 trillion of unfunded obligations. We have $12 trillion in debt. So I close the vote against the bill because it cost us money. And on behalf of Uncle Sam, we say don't let debt defeat a great nation.